what's going on? I was gonna take this bed off today. I've got a lot of work to do on the rear end, shocks, U-joints, brakes. I figured best thing to do, take the bed off. Then I could sand it down, paint it, put some bushings for the hangers. I'm gonna take it off with the tractor. I don't have a lift, so maybe this would inspire somebody else an option to take their bed off. I don't know, but I'll show you. There's 8 bolts holding the bed on. Got a light. So I get a light on it. You got one up here. And there's 4 on each side, so they're all the way down, 3/4 inch. I don't know if you can see that or not. There's another one up front toward the front of the bed. So, I just want to get in here and get things cleaned up. I got U-joints to replace, and I want to put all these shocks. They're original to 83. I've already got the nuts off everything. It wasn't that bad. I put a PB blaster on everything and waited about an hour, and it came off. Now I want to remove the lights. The screws are on the inside. At least it looks like it anyway. There's 2 on the outside. Like I said, it's not a how-to, it's how I done it. I've got some 2x4s to put across in here so the bucket lays over it, and then I'm going to put straps at the front and be able to hopefully lift it straight up. Could be a complete disaster, I'm not sure. And this bed is a little rusty, and I thought about getting some patch panels to put in here, but I'm not trying to fix all the rust in here. The light slips right out. And they just twist, hopefully. There's a rubber washer that comes with it so the dirt stays out of it. I labeled the other side single filaments, the reverse light. It'll be double filament, more like the 1157 bulb. It goes in here, and then just put everything in the truck. There's a little plastic clip that holds the wiring harness, and usually the tape is what holds that. I'm going to go ahead and remove the bulbs, and once we get that done, we can just about go ahead and crank the tractor and lift the bed. Yeah, get a light and I'll show you. There's one of the 3/4 nuts to hold one of the 8 bolts. And I've already got the other side off, so I knew what I was talking about. But this is part of the bed support. Need a third hand to hold the camera. Let's see what it is. Oh, I could have just unclipped it from there. Trying to be careful. All this stuff is from 1983. Who knows? I had looked at the VN, probably 82. Alright, so that's pretty much the rear wiring harness for your tail lights. The rest of it's hooked to the lights for your license plate, and that's to the bumper. So everything else is through the chassis. So other than that, let's see. Should be able to pick this thing right up. Yeah. So I'm ready to come off with it. Let's get the tractor cranked up. Get it up here. My lean-to. Expensive. Torque from Harbor Freight. It keeps the water off of it. I'm gonna build my shelter. I'll post that hopefully in the springtime. Well, I say the springtime. It's the third day of spring. And this we had snow and sleet yesterday. March, North Carolina. Mitsubishi MT300D, naked, no skins. I bought it like this. Don't start the tractor in between the tires. It takes off, it'll run over you. There ain't no safeties on these old tractors. See, I got enough. Got another can. I always keep some on the shelf. I'm preheated again. This is going to be another project I'm going to put up here. How I got all new skins. I just put these up here not that long ago. So. It's cold. Yep. Let that evaporate. Battery charger. Oh, Schumacher special. Got it at the pawn shop, $75. One of the largest ones they make. The alternator, the wiring is not right, so it's not charging the batteries. I have to charge the battery anytime I want to. After a few cranks, recharge the battery. This cold weather ain't helping. right, I come back, I'm gonna put this board, run it across, and then put the straps. I'm gonna have the strap coming down. It will pick up the weight this way, so, and I get it all hooked up with.
something satisfying about pressure washing.